Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something a little fun and different. We're actually going to be doing sorry, my window's open once again. We're actually going to be doing a protective style today. I'm actually going to do mini twists on my hair, and they will probably stay in for about 2 weeks, hopefully, if I'm lucky. But I wanted to first show you guys the products that I'm going to be using. So I have been hearing a lot about the Carol's Daughter Coco Cream collection, and I decided to pick it up. So we have the Carol's Daughter Coco Cream Intense Moisture and Softness System, and this is a sulfate-free shampoo. Looks like that. And then I also picked up the Coco Cream Curl Quenching Conditioner, and that's this guy here. I didn't pick up the deep conditioner because honestly I use the same deep conditioner every time I wash because I love it and don't need to switch, but shampoo and conditioner I'll try. So I picked up those two, and I did go ahead and wash and condition my hair already. Bomb, y'all. Like, this shampoo, I was actually more nervous about the shampoo because Carol's Daughter shampoos can tend to be a little drying on my hair. This shampoo, this is it. It's really good. It detangled my hair. It was gliding through my hair. My hair feels really soft and moisturized. This is me out of the shower, and then I left a tiny bit of the conditioner in there, so that's where we are. And then I also picked up the Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. So this is actually going to be one of the stars of my mini twist. I will be using this on my hair. As you can see, my hair is wet, like I said. I personally like doing my mini twists on wet hair because my hair is a little bit more manageable that way. So I don't mind the shrinkage. If you don't want shrinkage, then I definitely suggest that you either blow your hair out or you do some kind of stretching method to give your hair maximum length retention. Okay, so I'm just going to section my hair off, and then I will show you the process. Alright you guys, so I have done pretty much most of my hair, as you can see. So I'm just going to show you guys the top section here. So what I'm doing first is taking my spray bottle just with a little bit of water, and I'm making sure that it is damp. Then I'm going in with my denim brush, just combing out those ends. So then we're going to take the small section here in the front. And so I'm actually going to do a side part, as you can see here. So I'm going to have these twists falling to the right. So I take that section, go back in with my denim brush. And then I'm going in with the Coco Cream. Taking about that much, starting it on my ends, and then just working it up into my hair. This stuff, you guys, so moisturizing. Look at those curls. Super moisturizing. And then I'm actually going to take a little bit of my Carol's Daughter Pracoxy Nectar Frizz Tamer. It's pretty much edge control. And I'm taking just a little bit of that, and I'm just smoothing down my roots here. Because this is the front, I'm only doing this in the front. I didn't do this in the back. Then my section is about this big. Detangle again. splitting the hair in two, and then I'm twisting away from my face. And it's just a simple 2-strand twist. And then when I get to a little more than an inch at the bottom, I take the Denman one more time. And we're gonna twirl. Just like that. So you get the nice little curl at the bottom. And then I'm just gonna repeat this all over my head. So I'm gonna show you one more time. The key to this is keeping your hair as detangled as possible, because that'll make sure your twist is really smooth, it's really neat, and it'll give you a really pretty curl at the bottom. So we're twisting away from the face. Take your Denman once you get to the bottom. Curl. Same thing, guys, pretty easy. My hair in the front is a lot looser, so sometimes I don't need to go back with the Denman right there. Just like that. So hot. All right, guys, so I'm gonna finish the rest of these and then I'm gonna come back to show you the final result. All right, guys, so I'm back and these are the final results. So as you can see, they're super chunky. They did shrink up a bit, but like I said, I'm totally fine with that. This right here, the Carol's Daughter Coco Cream, or what is this actually called? Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter, is bomb. My hair feels really moisturized, it's really soft, it's really shiny. And then I just use, once again, the Carol's Daughter Frizz Tamer on my edges. So hot. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you want to see some videos on how I'm going to style these for the next 2 weeks. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.